my god, it's like 80 degrees out. Why are you wearing pants? Take them off. My pants. You want me to take my pants off? It's so hot. You're gonna have a heat stroke. I'm really worried for you. Take them off. Honestly, I'm just really comfy right now, and for the purpose of modesty and my own personal comfort, I think I'll keep them on. Take them off. I'm really worried for you. Super duper worried. So I'm gonna make it so that you legally have to take your pants off. Not allowed to wear pants. Don't care what you have to say. You're not allowed. Just not. The reality of the situation is a little bit different, but it's just as ridiculous. France is literally stripping women of their freedom of choice to wear what they want, cover themselves how they want. The age of consent in France is literally 16, and you're telling Muslim women that they have to be 18 to decide how they want to dress.